Creating a sales agreement between you and your buyer is now made easier with our app's sales agreement feature. Start by opening the mobile app, head to the Tools section and select the Sales Agreement tool. Tap Create New Agreement to kickstart a new one for your customer. Begin by adding all the required details like agreement details, seller and buyer details, vehicle and price details, and other required information. In agreement details, enter the agreement date. In the next two sections, add the seller and buyer details. Tap on the checkbox if the buyer or seller is a business, so that the app enables you to enter business details. Otherwise, you can enter personal details for the same. Then, move on to Acquired Vehicle Details, in which you can enter the details like vehicle's model name, color, manufactured year, vehicle registration number and date, engine and chassis number, and mileage at delivery. Next section is related to pricing. Here, you can enter the vehicle price, payment type, and the amount paying at delivery. In the next section, you just have to enter the delivery date followed by odometer reading. Moving on to the law section. Here, you can enter jurisdiction, court name, and the state. In the final step, you can add witnesses for the agreement. By tapping on Preview button, you can take a peek at your sales agreement with the details you have filled in. In case you want to leave the screen, you can save it as draft. It will be kept in the draft section for future edits, where you can pick it up later anytime and continue filling in the details for sales agreement. You can use the edit option to continue editing, and you have the option to delete it from the drafts. When you are ready, click Generate to produce a final sales agreement in PDF format. Once it is generated, you will find it in the Saved section. From there, you can download it anytime and do edit, delete operations. Crafting and sharing sales agreements for your customers is now simpler than ever. Download the My Showroom app today and enjoy the convenience of automating your dealership.